Global secure access for Copilot Studio agents. How do we set this up and where do we do this? In this video, I will take you through the Power Platform Admin Center and the Entra ID Admin Center or the Entra Admin Center and show you exactly what to do to turn on GSA for both environments and environment groups. So before taking you to the admin center, I would just like to take you through some slides as usual, where we discuss what global secure access for Copilot Studio is, and the implementation steps will also be in here. So if you just want to keep them for yourself, screenshot, do whatever you want, and you will be able to use this internally. So global secure access, this is for Copilot Studio agents, it will be secure web and AI gateway. So this will protect you again, will make sure that web content and URL filtering follows your global secure settings. And you can set up threat intelligence filtering and file filtering. So you can actually stop uploading. You can block uploading of files if you have a network file policy, which we will look into later. So simply explained, you have a global set of rules that determine how the users use the internet, the cloud, and whatever knowledge sources they are using. So Copilot Studio also will follow this once you turn on these settings. So this is how it works. Basically, you have the traffic sources from the agent. This is can be an HTTP node, tools generated connectors, and also custom connectors. You have the popular MCP servers and other connectors, which we will look into at the end of this video, because there are some connectors that are not supported, or in other words, we just have connectors that are supported. We don't know of the rest. And then we have this secure web. We have seen this already, and this we've seen. So basically, what GSA does, it takes the traffic from your agents and it's forwarded to GSA, which provides the globally distributed proxy service. So the keyword here is centralization, the centralized network security. So we've already discussed this, and what gets it. This we already covered in the other video, in the other picture, the MCP and all of this, and you can have these types of controls for your agents, and that's web content filtering, threat intelligence filtering, and network file filtering. We will look into this when we create the policies themselves. So important, the roles needed to do this: global secure access administrator and the Power Platform admin. That's it. You don't need all other roles. There's those two. In the PPAC, now I can bring up my screen. You will have to do this in two ways, or it is possible to do it in two ways. So you have the environment level, which you navigate to secure, not security, but you navigate to, let's see, navigate to identity and access and global secure access for agents, and choose an environment. So I already have done this for this environment. You can turn it on and save. And once you're done, actually the Power Platform side is done. So this time Power Platform admin doesn't have to do a lot. And on the other hand, you have the environment group level. So this is the new rules where you can navigate to environment groups. And let's see, refresh. I do have some environment groups here, but let me see. It's the other tenant, maybe. Yeah, I think it's here. So we can navigate to the environment groups, and let's see here. Yeah, so cancel environment groups, and once you're in here, you will see the environments group that you have. And let me take, for example, production environments. I have the 30 rules, and these rules are of course things we can cover in a later video, but Copilot GSA settings. So this is the setting that you need to set for the environment level. So I can enable it and then save, but I will not do this for this tenant. But back here, so now we have set it up for the dev environment. That's good. What we will be doing next is the environment group level. You have the GSA settings here in environment groups. That's it. So now let's navigate to Entra Admin Center. So in Entra Admin Center, you will have some of the a lot of different things, of course, and the global secure access is here. And the most important thing today is secure. So what you can do here is you can go to, for example, web content filtering. I already created one, but I will create another one with you guys. And yeah, I did block code repos. So I will create a new policy, block crypto websites. Yeah, crypto websites. The action is block. Write a description, best practice, and then add a rule. So once I add this rule, I will call it crypto block, and then I will search here crypto currency mining, and yeah, I can just do that. Add and next. Once this is done, we have the web category and crypto mining. Create policy. Policy is created, but we have to do one more thing. We have to go back to the security profiles, and in here you will be able to, you can create your own security profiles, but I will do the baseline profile here, which is recommended, and Microsoft says you should do it this way. And here I will choose the baseline profile and link policies to this baseline profile. So create, no, I will just choose an existing file and policy name. Oh, you can choose confidential files, but I will not do that. I will choose existing web filtering policy and block crypto websites. So this depends on what priority it gets here. So I can put it to 101. State is enabled, and it will pop up in between here. Yes, that's it. And once this is done, you are basically done setting it up. And other settings I will not cover in this video, but this is how you connect your Copilot Studio agents to the baseline GSA settings that you have for your baseline security. So that's it, guys. We have quickly set up this in the, let's see here, in the Entra admin center. We have linked it using link a policy to the baseline profile. And of course, there is some limitations for this. The agent name, you will get the schema name for the agent. This you can find in your Copilot Studio where you build the agents. You can just go to settings and then advanced and then metadata. Then you will find this the schema name. And you can see here there's a lot of limitations. You can check this later on Microsoft site. Here are the supported connectors. And these are the references I've used for this video. So thank you for watching the video, guys. And if this is your first time, I do have a series for Copilot and Copilot Studio governance. And also I do have a series for building Copilot Studio agents. So you can build your first agent in this link in 15 minutes. And guys, remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for this time, and see you next time.